In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Olacabs promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and we'll jump right into it. First of all, you'll have to open your web browser and right here search for Olacabs discount code. As you can see right here, we have this website. You just grab on .in, and as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to use also all you have to do is select your coupon code right here, and this is the discount code that you can apply on your next. Also, right here, as you can see plenty different type of websites with promo codes. For example, this one right here also has a list with different type of promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. For example, this one right here. If you want to get this, just select get coupon, and you will be redirected to the website where the discount will be automatically applied. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.